and welcome back to another video. So today I am unveiling my dehydrator. I said I would do a video on this all by itself, so this is that video. So here you can see I have my Cosori dehydrator, and this was gifted to me over Christmas, and I said that, so I just wanted to set it up with you guys. Before it comes with this little thing, sorry if the light is doing too much, but it comes with one of these. It has the manual of how everything operates and a recipe book, and it comes with a lot of recipes. A lot of them is for beef jerkies or jerkies, I want to say, but it has a few stuff in here, and I think a membership thing, warranty membership thing that I didn't even sign up for, but that's that. But I wanna, so here it comes with a tray thing and also another one, well, a mesh. I think this is just for finer things, that if it's gonna get dehydrated like really small so it don't fall through. And then this is for if I am making what you call those, fruit roll-up type things. So this is what this is for. So I have that, so let's get that way. And then I have these, and I have 6 of them, so it's in this. I'm trying not to. So here you have them, guys. It's 6 of them, and as you can see, it has the fan in the back, and as I set it up, I'll show you guys more, but currently this is how it is. So I'm gonna rest these in here. So here it is all set up. And I'll show you a side view. So the air flows this way in this thing, and let me see if I can plug it up for you guys. So I hope you guys are seeing that. So it has a temp and timer here, and you can increase, decrease, and start and stop is over here. So right now I think I started it, so I want to stop it because I'm not putting anything in there right now. So it has the start, temperature, you can adjust it up or down, you can also set the timer 8 minutes or less, and I'm just gonna stop it right now because I'll be using it soon. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick, but let me show you what I'll be dehydrating in here. I'll be doing some apples, strawberries, pineapple, papaya, and I have some jackfruit here. And we'll also be doing beef jerky. But right now I want to start with the fruits because we're just gonna let the beef jerky marinate and stuff, and then do that tomorrow. But for right now, I'm gonna work on the fruits and get them in here, so you guys will see that. noise in the back, but I just wanted to share what I have going on here. So here I have my strawberries and my apples. Right here I have papaya, I have pineapple, and I have some jackfruit, and those are what I'm gonna put in the dehydrator right now. Okay guys, so I've added all my fruits in here and I'm ready to set it up top. Up here I have some chunky pineapples, I have my jackfruit, papaya, apples, and I put some cinnamon on those. And here's an extra tray. I didn't add anything to these, and I had some leftover strawberries, so I add them on that tray. And then this is my strawberry tray. So I'm ready to get this started. Sorry guys, so as I said, I lined them with some parchment papers because when they shrink I don't know how they'll be. So let's try and get this started. So I'm gonna set it at 145. Let's see if I'm getting this for you guys. I'm gonna do 145, and I'm gonna set the time for 12 hours. So we're gonna work with 12 hours and see how that goes. So I've started it all, guys, and hold on. Hey guys, good morning. So I am back again with my dehydrator. So as you can see, it's saying there's 1 minute left on here, but actually it's not, because it's finished the 12 hours like 10 minutes ago and it has come to an end. But I want to say, before I open all of this and show you guys this, the reason why it was having a few more minutes is because I stopped it to check it when it was at 21 minutes, and it started the cycle all over again. So I had to decrease the time to 30 minutes, which was the lowest that it would go. So hence that. So now it has stopped, and this is how everything is looking. So I'm gonna try and pull them on. I know it's a bit hot, so I'm not gonna chance it and do that with my hands, or would I? Let's see. It's not that bad. So this is the first set. Because they're different sizes. Hold on, let me decrease some of this light that's on here. So because they're different sizes, a few dry, I'm gonna do this to give you guys a better. So they are soft, but they're not hard. So that's my pineapple. You can see I had some big chunks in here, and this was on for 12. Here is the jackfruit. Yeah, as I said, they dry soft, not hard. This is the papaya. Yes, let me taste this on. Guys, as you see, a few spots has been missing because I've been tasting them. Just once, but this is the apple with the cinnamon. Yeah. It's not hard. It doesn't have a crunch, but it's soft, very soft. Guys, excuse my snacking. So this was a tray that didn't have anything on it. I didn't put any cinnamon on this one, and the leftover strawberries. And these are really dried out. When I say dry, And here we have the strawberries. One thing I can say, they dry really nice, but it dried out everything. Hey guys, I wanted to come in and say I loved how all my fruits came out, but I would add a few more minutes on my pineapples because I made them a little chunky. So I would give those a few more minutes because they were way softer than the other ones. My fruits were very soft and chewy, and I think I like that over the crunchier type that I think I wanted. But all of them came out perfectly. So I would say if you want a crunchier type, you either cut them smaller or you give it some more hours in the dehydrator. So that's everything, guys. It dried really good except for my strawberries. I don't like how those came out. So this is my Cosori, and I can tell you guys the aroma was really good in the beginning of the process. Eventually the smell went away, but it smelled like candy inside the house. So I'm in love with my Cosori. It doesn't make any excessive noise. It was very quiet, so I really like it. Okay guys, so before I end my video, I wanted to share also that we're going to be doing some beef jerky. And right here I have, these ones are marinating in some jerk sauce. I think this is like a lemon pepper, and I think this is a spicy kind of mix. I don't know if it's barbecue or something, but I know this one is a spicy kind of mix with some red flakes and chili flakes and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna go in later on tonight because I prefer to run it at night to be lower on the power. So this will be our next set that we'll be trying. Okay guys, so I'm here to show you. It's the second night with the dehydrator. So I'm starting this one with some jerk. We're making jerkies. So this is like a Jamaican jerk one. This one is kind of a pepper flakes, red pepper, something. I can't remember what we used. And this one is the lemon pepper. So let's see how this one will turn out. And I'm gonna try and set the temperature here. Come on. This time we're going up to 165. And we may do this for, I'm gonna say 7 hours. Usually I see they have on there for 6 hours, but let's say 7. And it's a go. And I still have those papers from the fruits in there. Hey guys, I just want to share that they came out so good. This was my first time ever tasting jerky or making jerky, and I really loved it. So I think I prefer my version of making it at home. So the 7 hours was just great for this. And I just want to thank you guys for watching today's video. Bye.